Hello, my name is Pat Hannon. I am the Chief of Academic Development for United States Air Force School of Aerospace Medicine. Today we're going to be talking about the principles for reducing extraneous processing in multimedia learning. The 5 principles are coherence, signaling, redundancy, spatial contiguity, and temporal contiguity. I am going to be covering the 3 in the middle, which are signaling, redundancy, and spatial contiguity. We'll start off by talking about signaling. The signaling principle is when the learner learns better when cues are added to the multimedia learning. I already did one example of this when I changed the text from black to red in my introductory slide. Again, this is one of the methods of cueing or signaling. A second way is to label the parts of the picture. In this, it's a simple picture of a baseball game where I label the batter, the catcher, and the umpire. And again, learners learn better when they get cues as to what they should be focusing on. The next one is the redundancy. It is said that learners learn better when graphics and narration are presented alone rather than graphics, the written text, and the narration. One of the examples is there is redundancy in this if I were to read it. So if I presented this as a slide and you could read it at the bottom, but I also read it, such as basketball is a sport that has 5 players from 2 teams attempting to place the ball in the opponent's basket while stopping the other team from placing it in theirs. A better way of doing that would be if I said it, if I spoke those words, but I did not have it on the slide. The last one is spatial contiguity. This is where words and pictures are presented near each other. And again, the learner learns best when the pictures and the words are near each other. Otherwise, they have to kind of keep one in their short-term memory while they review the next. An example is, here is a picture of a football game. On the next slide, I explain it. Football is a sport that has 11 players from 2 teams attempting to carry the ball across the opponent's goal line while stopping the other team from carrying it across theirs. If I were to present it all together and allow the learner to read it, that way the learner does not have to keep anything in their short-term memory, but they can see both at the same time. Today I talked about 3 of the 5 principles for reducing extraneous processing in multimedia learning. Thank you very much.